Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to give your QR code on Instagram so people can, when they scan your QR code, they will follow you. To do that, all you have to do is click on, go to your main screen. Click on this one. And when you arrive on the main screen, what you have to do is click on the upper right corner. There are three, I don't know, these are blade options. What do you call them? I don't know. These three lines, click on them. And as you click on them, you can see an option called QR code. Just click it. When you click it, you can see my Tigers School QR code is available, so you can even scan it and please scan it. Okay, when you scan it, you make sure you follow this and you follow whatever, you can take a screenshot of it, and also you click on scan QR, and that way it will allow you to scan it, and you give it to other people. They will also be able to scan it, and they will appear on this page, and they will kind of follow you. So this is how you can do easily the QR code following. And if you find this video really helpful and according to your need, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.